everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 7 math. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 7 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter operations with fractions, and the lessons we're going to cover today are divide fractions, divide decimal numbers, estimate products and quotients of fractions and mixed numbers, maps with fractional distances, and evaluate numerical expressions involving fractions. So let's just start with the lesson divide fractions. So dividing fraction is, for example, 2 divided by 3 by 4, right? So how do we divide? Basically, whenever we are dividing fractions, we need to change this division sign to multiplication, right? When we change the division sign to multiplication, we take reciprocal of the term right after the decimal, right after the division sign. So taking reciprocal means you need to swipe, interchange numerator and denominator, right? So that would be 4 times 2 is 8 and 8 over 3. So 2 divided by 3 by 4 equals 8 over 3. So when you are dividing fraction means you need to change the division sign to multiplication, and then you have to reciprocal the term right after division sign, right? Let's just start with the practice questions. 1 by 5 divided by 2. So change this division sign to multiplication and reciprocal the term. 2 by 1, it would be then 1 over 2, right? Yes, that is 1 over 10. So the correct option is 1 over 10. Okay, the next one is 2 divided by 1 over 2. So which is the correct option? How do you divide? Replace the division sign to multiplication. So it would be then 1 over 2 times 1 over 2. So which is the correct option? It would be, yes, that is 1 over 4. Okay, the next one divided by 1 over 5. So which is the correct option? Yes, that is 5, very good. The correct option is 5. Okay, the next one is 1 by 4 divided by 3. So, which is the correct option? 105 by 4 divided by 3. The correct option is, yes, very good. That would be, yes, that is 1 over 12. Okay, the next one is 4 divided by 1 over 3. So, which is the correct option? Yes, that is 12. The correct option is 12. Okay, the next one is 1 by 4 divided by 4. So, which is the correct option? Yes, very good. That would be 1 over 16. Okay, the next one is 1 by 8 divided by 4. So, which is the correct option? That is 1 by 8 divided by 4 is 1 divided by 32. The correct option is 1 over 32. Okay, 1 divided by 1 over 6. So, which is the correct option? That is 6. The correct option is 6. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is, okay, the next lesson is divide mixed numbers, right? Now we already know how to divide fractions. Now we're going to see how do we divide the um, mixed numbers, right? The first one is 1 whole 1 over 5 divided by, Okay, let's just convert them into improper fraction. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 over 5 divided by 5 times 1 is 5 and 6, 7 over 5. So just remove that division sign to multiplication. That would be then 5 over 7. 5 times 1 is 5, you have 9 over 7. Denominator is greater than numerator, just divide. 7 times 1 is 7 and here you have 2. So it will be 1 whole 2 over 7. The correct option is 1 whole 2 over 7, right? Option 1 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is 1 whole 1 over 4 divided by 1 whole 3 over 4. Divided by 1 whole 3 over 4. So 4 times 1 is 4 and 5 over 4. 4 times 1 is 4 and 5, 6, 7 over 4, right? So change the division sign to reciprocal, so it would be 4 over 7. 4 times 4 is 4, that would be 5 over 7. So the correct option is 5 over 7. The correct option is 5 over 7. Okay, the next one is divide 3 whole 3 by 4 divided by 1 whole 3 by 7. Okay, let me just divide 3 whole 3 over 4 divided by 1 whole 3 over 7, right? Just convert them into improper fraction. 4 times 3 is 12 and 13, 14, 15 over 4. 7 times 1 is 7 and 3, 10 over 7. So just replace the division sign to multiplication within 7 over 10, right? 5 times 3 is 15 and 5 times 2 is 30. So 17 times 3 is 51 and 4 times 2 is 8. 7 times 3 is 21. Divide 8 times 2 is 16. So 21 minus 16 is 5. So it will be 2 whole 5 over 8. The correct option is 2 whole 5 over 8, right? Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, divide. Simplify your answer and write it as proper fraction or as a whole or mixed number. So the correct option is 2 whole 1 over 3. I'm just guessing the answers, right? Okay, the next one is 4 whole 1 over 2 divided by 1 whole 2 over 7. So which is the correct option? That would be 3 whole 1 over 2. The correct option is 3 whole 1 over 2. Okay, the next one is you have to divide 5 whole 2 by 3 divided by 3 whole 1 over 3. So which is the correct option? Yes, that would be 1 whole 7 over 10. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is you can do divide fractions and mixed numbers word problems on your own. Let's just start with the one estimate products and quotients of fractions and mixed numbers. So we have in the last lesson we have learned how to estimate the mixed numbers, right? So here you have to estimate the mixed number and then you have to find the product, right? That is 8 whole 1 over 3, right? 1 over 3 is less than 1 over 2. You have 8 whole 1 over 3 times 66. You have 1 over 3. Just compare this number to 1 over 2. 1 over 3 is less than 1 over 2. That means you have to round on the same whole number. So that is 88 times 66. Right? Hold on. 8 times 6 is 48. 8 times 6 is 40. That is 508. The correct option is 566. It is, hold on, 66 times 8. That is 528. The correct option is 528, right? Option number, but why? Hold on, let me see. Oh, you have to round off both the numbers, right? Got it. You have to round off both the numbers. It is 8 whole 1 over 3 is rounded to 8, and you can round 66 to 70. So it would be then 8 times 7 is 56. That would be 560. The correct option is 560. Okay, estimate the product. Round the mixed number to the nearest whole number, then multiply. So 6 whole 1 over 2 times 1. So just look at the fractional part. 1 over 2 is equal to 1 over 2, right? That means you round up, in you round up, that would be 7 times 1. So 7 times 1 is 7. Yes, the correct option is 7. Hi. Okay, estimate the product, that is 9 whole 2 over 7 times 39. Okay. 9 whole 2 over 7 times 39, right? Okay. Just look at the fractional part, that is 2 over 7, right? So that means it would be less than 1 over 2, right? So you have to round on the same whole number. And here you have 39, you have to round off 39 to 40. So that would be 9 times 4 is 36, so it is 360. The correct option is 360. Okay, estimate the product, round the mixed number to the nearest whole number and then multiply. So 7 whole 5 over 8, right? So 5 over 8 means more than half portion is covered. So 5 by 8 is greater than 1 over 2. It would be rounded off to 8, and 8 times 70 is, yes, so that is 560. Correct option is 560. Okay, the next one is 4 whole 5 over 7 times 2. So which is the correct option? 4 whole 5 over 7 is rounded off to 5 over 7 means more than half portion is colored, right? So 4 whole 5 by 7 is rounded off to 5. So 5 times 2 makes 10. So the correct option is 10, right? Okay, 5 whole 3 by 4 times 3. So which is the correct option? 5 whole 3 by 4 times 3. Which is the correct option? 5 whole 3 over 4, right? More than half. 3 by 4 is more than half. So it would be rounded off to 6. So 6 times 3 makes 18. The correct option is 18. Got it? 18. The correct option is 18. Okay, the next one is 3 whole 1 by 4 times 92. So which is the correct option? 92 is rounded off to 100, or 90, and 3 whole 1 by 4 is rounded off to 3. So 90 times 3 is 270. So the correct option is 270. Got it? The next one is 8 whole 3 by 5 times 4. So which is the correct option? Yes, that would be 4 whole 3 by 5 is rounded off to 9. So 9 over 9 times 4 is 36. So the correct option is 36. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next one. Okay, the next lesson is maps with, you can do word problems on your own, right? Maps with fractional distances. Okay, using the path shown, the distance from Arcadia to Westford is 1 whole 3 by 10 miles. How far is it from Arcadia to Lakewood? So basically the distances you are given in fractions. You have to add them like we do fractions, right? Okay, how far is it from Arcadia to Lake Town, from here to here? You have to calculate the distance, right? The distance from here to here, that is 7 whole 10 over 7 over 10 miles. The total distance Arcadia to Westford is 1 whole 3 by 10. You are given the total distance from here to here, that is 1 whole 3 by 10. 10 times 1 is 10, and 3 30 over 10. Okay, the distance from here to here is 30 over 10. You have to subtract 7 over 10. So test 10, 30 minus 7 is 23 divided by 10. So the correct option is, you have to do 1 whole 3 over 10 minus 7 over 10. 10 times 1 is 10, and 3 13 over 10, and minus 7 over 10. So 13 minus 7 is 6 over 10. That means the distance from Arcadia to Lakewood is 6 over 10, right? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, using the path shown, how far is it from Lexington to Oakland? You have to calculate the distance from here to here, right? You are given from Lexington to Manchester 5 by 6, and from Manchester to Oakland it is 5 over 6. So basically you need to add both the distances. 5 by 6 plus 5 by 6, that is 10 over 6, right? So when you divide 10 by 6, 6 times 1 is 6, you have 4. So it would be 1 whole 4 over 6. And you can divide them by 2. So it would be 1 whole 2 over 3. The correct option is 1 whole 2 over 3. The correct option is 1 whole 2 over 3. Okay. Okay, the next one is, using the path shown, the distance from Arcadia to Westford is 1 whole 3 by 10 miles. How far is it from Arcadia to Lakewood? Okay, that's the one we just did, right? 10 times 1 is 10, 13 over 10. So 13 over 10 minus 7 over 10 is 6 by 10. And when you divide 6 by 10, that would be 3 by 5. That's the one I did in the tutorial, right? That is 3 over 5. Okay, using the path shown, how far is it from Livingston to Dayton? Basically, you have to calculate the total distance from here to here. You need to add these distances, right? So 8 plus 8 is 16 over 15. When you divide it is 1 whole 1 over 15. The correct option is option number 1. Got it? Option 1 is the correct option. Okay, the next one is using the path shown. The distance from Greenville to Lancaster is 1 whole 3 over 8. How far is it from Livingston to Lancaster? Okay, you are given the distance from here to here. The complete distance is 1 whole 3 over 8. You are given 1 by 2. You have to calculate this one. So you need to 1 whole 3 over 8. That is the total distance. Subtract the 1 given. So 8 times 1 is 8, 9, 10, 11 over 8. Make their denominators same. So you need to multiply it by the 4. So 11 over 8 minus 4 over 8, that is 7 over 8. So that means the distance between Livingston to Lancaster is 7 over 8. Got it? So the correct option is 7 over 8. Okay, using the path shown, the distance from Springfield to Livingston is 1 whole 1 by 4 miles. How far is it from the Greenwood to Lexington? Okay, so you are given the distance from here to here, that is 1 whole 1 over 4. So 4 times 1 is 4 and 5 over 4 minus 3 over 4. That would be 5 minus 3 is 2 over 4. So that is 1 over 2 miles. The correct option is 1 over 2 miles, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is evaluate numerical expressions involving fractions. So how do we evaluate numerical expressions that have fractions? Let's start with the first example. Evaluate 4 by 5 plus 2 by 5 plus 2 by 5. So you have to add them. They all have same denominators. So when you add, that is 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 8 over 5, right? So when you divide it by 5, 5 times 1 is 5. It would be 1 whole 3 over 5. So option number 1 is the correct option. The correct option is 1 whole 3 over 5. Okay, the next one is 3 by 4 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4. So which is the correct option? Yes, very good. That is 1 over 4. You need to subtract them. Okay, 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 minus 1 over 2. Which is the correct option? Okay, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 makes 0, right? So you are left with just 1 over 2. The correct option is 1 over 2. Okay, 9 by 10 minus 9 by 10. 9 by 10 plus 9 by 10 minus 7 over 10. So which is the correct option? Okay, 9 minus 7 is 2 over 10, right? And 9 plus 2 is 11 over 10. So the correct option is option number 2. That is 11 over 10. The second option is the correct option. Okay, the next one is 7 by 10 plus 7 by 10 minus 9 over 10. So which is the correct option? Yes, very good. That would be 1 over 2. The correct option is 1 over 2. 9 by 10 minus 7 over 10 minus 7 over 10. So which is the correct option? The correct option is, yes, very good. That is negative 1 over 2. Okay, evaluate 3 by 5 plus 4 by 5 plus 4 by 5. So which is the correct option? Yes, that will be 2 whole 1 over 5. Option number 2 is the correct option. Yes, that would be 2 whole 1 over 5. Option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So which is the correct option? Yes, very good. That is 1 whole 1 over 2. The correct option is 1 whole 1 over 2. Okay, 3 by 5 minus 4 by 5 plus 3 by 5, which is the correct option? Yes, very good. That is 2 over 5. 9 by 10 minus 3 by 10 plus 10, 3 by 10, which is the correct option? Yes, that is 9 over 10. The correct option is 9 over 10. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 7 math. We're working on the chapter operations with fractions. The lessons we have covered today are divide fractions, divide mixed numbers, estimate the estimate products and quotients of fractions and mixed numbers, maps with fractional distances, and evaluate numerical expressions involving fractions. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. Also, you have to complete the practice questions for the lessons I skipped, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Either you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10. So if you have any question, you can ask. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. No questions?